Good morning, students. Welcome to the next class of History, Standard 6. We have completed our first semester portion. I hope you all are clear with all the chapters. So today onwards, we will start revisions. Today we will take up revision of chapter 1. This is chapter 1. So open your book. Come to page number 8. The first chapter is the Mesopotamian civilization. The Mesopotamian civilization. First, we will discuss some important points of the Mesopotamian civilization. So, important points are the Mesopotamian, Egyptian, Harappan, and Chinese civilizations are called early river valley civilization. This is very important. Both archaeological and literary sources tells us about the Mesopotamian civilization. In Mesopotamia, the first civilization developed in Sumer. This is also important. The first civilization developed in Sumer. Ur was the biggest city in Sumer. Ur was the biggest city. So this is also very important. Ur was the biggest city. It was divided into the sacred area, the walled city, and the outer town. There were many social classes in Mesopotamia. The king and the royal family held the highest position in the society. The slaves were at the lowest rung of the social ladder. The Mesopotamians worshipped many gods. Each city had its own patron god. Temple towers called ziggurats were built for gods. Now next one is farming was the main occupation. So this is also very important. Farming was the main occupation. The Mesopotamia had trade relation with the Harappan civilization. Mesopotamia and Harappan civilization, they had trade relations. Next one is major achievements of the Mesopotamians. There are so many major achievements. First one is the use of architecture forms such as arch, volute, column, and so on. Ziggurats. The next one is the Hanging Garden of Babylon. The next is prediction of eclipse, names for different stars and planets, and the writing and Hammurabi code of law. So children, first we will study about children. Now we will study about society. The king was very powerful. Priest, high official, and scribes came next in importance. Then came the farmers, artisans, and traders. Slaves were at the bottom of the social ladder. Farming, metalworking, pottery making, weaving, and glass making were some important occupations. Now we will discuss about religion. The first one is people perform nature worship. Each city had its own god. People believed in life after death. This is very important. In Mesopotamian civilization, people believed in life after death. Now come to the achievements. Some important major achievements. You can see here page number. So on page number 11 and 12, the major achievements. Architecture forms such as the arch, column, dome, and vault were used for the first time. Temple towers called ziggurats were decorated with marble, tiles, and precious stone. The next is the Hanging Garden of Babylon were a wonder of the ancient world. People had an advanced knowledge of mathematics and astronomy. They gave specific names to planets and stars. They could predict eclipses. The Mesopotamians invented writing. Their system of writing is called cuneiform. This is very, very important. Their system of writing is known as cuneiform. Children, I hope you all are clear with this chapter. Now, come to page number 13. This is time to learn. The first we will discuss these question answers. A. Take the correct answer. The first one is the Mesopotamian civilization is called a Bronze Age civilization. You please take in bronze. The Mesopotamian civilization is called a Bronze Age civilization. Second is the earliest kingdom that arose in Mesopotamia was in Sumer. D is the correct answer. Third question, in Ur, the walled city and the outer town were known as residential areas. Got it? Next one is a ziggurat had a temple on the top. You please tick on the B part, temple on the top. The Mesopotamians wrote from right to left. It's written here. You can see on page number 12 after cuneiform in second column, first paragraph. The script was V-shaped. It was written from right to left. You can tick on A part, right to left. I hope you all are clear with this. Now come to the second one, B, match the column. Now you have to match these words with these statements. First one is slaves. Do you match with, children please match with C part, bottom of the social ladder. Second one is the hanging garden. Match with D, Babylon. Third one is writing. You already know that. E part, clay tablets. Writing is matched with clay tablets. Hammurabi match with code of law, B part. Fifth one is Epic of Gilgamesh is matched with A, literary source. I hope you all are understand. Now come to the C part, write true or false. The first question is the Mesopotamian civilization was an early river valley civilization. This is true. The Mesopotamian civilization was an early river valley civilization. This is true. Lagash was a city in China. No. False. This statement is false. Third one is each Mesopotamian city had its own god. True. This is true. Fourth one is most people in Mesopotamia were traders. False. Most people in Mesopotamia were farmers. So this statement is false. The fifth one is Mesopotamians kept record of trade on tablets. This statement is true. So now I hope you all are clear. The first one is true, second one is false, third one is true, fourth one is false, and fifth one is true. I hope students you have already done exercise D and E, which were explained to you in the previous video tutorials. So please revise the full chapter thoroughly and revise these new words also. This is also very important, these new words. Learn this new words. Thank you, students.